Namaste. Let us discuss about magnetic inductance. What do you mean by inductance? Have you any idea about inductance? Yeah, inductance is used to store the energy. Before that, let us discuss about magnetic effects. As we have seen previously, changes in magnetic flux due to one circuit can affect what goes on in the circuit. The change in magnetic flux induces an EMF in the secondary circuit. Let us discuss about mutual inductance. Suppose that we have two coils, coil N1 have N1 turns and coil 2 have N2 turns. The current produces magnetic flux going through one turn of coil 2. If I1 changes, the flux changes and EMF is induced in coil 2, which is given by E2 is equal to minus N2 into d pi B2 divided by dt. The flux through the second coil is proportional to the current in the first coil. That is, M21 I1 is equal to N2 pi B2, where M21 is called the mutual inductance. By this, we have N2 d pi B2 by dt is equal to MT1 di1 by dt. Thus, the mutual inductance M21 is equal to M12 is equal to M if K is equal to 1. The inductance can be prescribed in terms of joule per ampere square. Or similarly, self-inductance, which is induced in the coil itself, that is N pi BB is equal to L into I. L be the self-inductance of the coil, where the induced EMF small e is equal to minus L di by dt. That is, I is the current flowing through the coil and dt is the time and di is the change in current. The circuit elements that behave in the manner are called inductors, and they are used to oppose any change in the current in the circuit. Magnetic energy. The magnetic energy can be derived by the terms of inductance. If we consider a time varying scenario, then L di by dt is equal to N d pi by dt. That is, the change in work done dW is equal to Vi into dt. It can be given as Li into di. That is, therefore, the total work done W is equal to integral 0 to I Li di, that is equal to half Li square, which is the energy used to store the current in the magnetic circuit. This is also known as stored energy. If you substitute the value of L in the above equation, we have W is equal to half Ni pi by I square is equal to N pi half N pi L. We know that pi equal to surface integral of B, that is equal to B into A, where A is the area. Substitute the above value of pi in the above equation, we have the energy as half HBAL, where A into L is the volume. Therefore, the total energy density can be taken as total work done per volume, that is W by AL, that is equal to half BH. Therefore, the energy stored or the energy density in the magnetic field can be taken as Wm is equal to half BH. Thank you all. Thank you.